Minister Modi meeting with the Indian cricket team that has returned victorious with the T20 World Cup. Right there, viewers, those visuals of your screens, Rohit Sharma, Rahul Dravid can be seen, Virat Kohli, all smiles, several other players from the Indian cricket team. Jasprit Bumrah can be seen smiling, as well as Surya Kumar Yadav can be spotted smiling too. Prime Minister Modi interacting with them as well. All right, there, of course, Rahul Dravid can also be seen speaking with Prime Minister Modi. Of course, Prime Minister had tweeted the day itself. The men in blue had won the trophy for India that very fateful night. He had praised Rahul Dravid as well for his effort into making sure Team India emerges victorious. And he's, of course, interacted with the entire team, speaking with them, sharing, of course, their ordeal as well as light banter. These are visuals from 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, the Prime Minister's residence. Of course, they are all set to visit Mumbai as well, where a grand road show will be held today evening. They are also set to visit Wankhede Stadium, where they will be felicitated. The men in blue had touched down earlier today morning itself at the Delhi airport, and they had interacted with several fans that had gathered outside the Delhi airport early in the morning. Several super fans were out there celebrating. The men in blue also danced with them. Surya Kumar Yadav, Rohit Sharma had danced with some of the fans that are gathered out. There were several fans that were at ITC Maurya as well, the hotel where they were staying in. The fans also spoke out, very happy, jubilant with the success of the Indian team. But we all know that following this grand victory, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma and Ravindra Jadeja have all announced their retirement from T20 international cricket. So, of course, all eyes remain on who are the next emerging players who will be at the helm of Indian cricketing as far as the T20 format is concerned. Remember, viewers, this is India's 6th ICC trophy. The first, of course, won all the way back in 1983, the ODI World Cup. Meanwhile, you can see visuals on your screen, viewers of Prime Minister meeting and interacting with the cricketers. With us on the broadcast is my colleague Anand Singh. Anand, over to you. It seems that all the men in blue were all smiles when they were interacting with the Prime Minister.
Look, it was a very proud moment for the Team Indian players to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi after they arrived in the national capital, receiving a very grand welcome from the fans at the Indira Gandhi International Airport first. And then we also saw visuals of how the Indian cricket team players celebrated outside ITC Maurya, where fans have gathered and they were playing dhol. So several of the team players, including Captain Rohit Sharma himself, led from the front, and he joined the jovial fans over there and he celebrated with them. Then Surya Kumar Yadav, Rishabh Pant, the local player from the northern India, also joined the captain in celebrations over there. And then while they went to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the jersey of the Indian cricket team had champion written on it in very bold, just below the name of India. So that was how the Team Indian players went to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to discuss what was their journey in the entire tournament of the ICC T20 World Cup that took place in West Indies and USA. So, while India defeated South Africa by a margin of 7 runs in the final, so the meeting was very special, as we would like to remind our viewers that how after the ODI World Cup final defeat against Australia, the Team Indian players were motivated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who himself went into the dressing room and he addressed the players that winning or losing is part of the game, but they need to maintain the spirit, they need to maintain the temperament of victory. And this is what Team India has done after a gap of 6 to 7 months after bringing back the T20 World Cup trophy after a gap of 17 years. We would like to remind our viewers that how in 2007, under the leadership of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, India won the inaugural edition of T20 World Cup then, and then they had held a very big victory parade here in Mumbai. And similarly, today also, after when the players came out of the meeting with the Prime Minister, they waved at the crowd, the fans gathered outside the PM's residence, and they cheered the team. So there will be a very massive scale celebration in Mumbai today, where the Team India will be holding a victory parade from Marine Drive to Wankhede Stadium, and even at Wankhede Stadium, a special arrangement has been done. A special program has been brought up to felicitate the Indian cricket team players over there. And there, Rohit Sharma, who is the cricket team captain of the ICC T20 World Cup captain, he will be handing over the World Cup, ICC T20 World Cup, to BCCI Secretary Jay Shah over there. And several announcements will be made, as we have seen that just after the conclusion of the final match against South Africa, how it was Virat Kohli that he announced his retirement from the ICC T20 World Cup. Then it was followed by Rohit Sharma, who too announced his retirement. Then Rahul Dravid also said that it will be his last coaching for the Indian cricket team as the ICC T20 World Cup. And even Ravindra Jadeja announced an announcement retirement from the T20 squad. So now they are giving the space to the youngsters that are going to fill their space in the team, as the team, a separate team has also gone to Zimbabwe in Harare under the leadership of Shubman Gill. So there are a number of young players who will be filling in the boots of Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, then also Ravindra Jadeja. So it's a very big void that has been created, but the Indian team is hopeful that some players will take up their position in the coming days.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.